Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I want to give a huge shout out to Benks for sending me the Glass Warrior screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is a dummy device, the perfect tool to review products like the Glass Warrior and cases. There's going to be a lot of case reviews coming soon. So the purpose of putting on a tempered glass screen protector is to make sure that it's going to work with a lot of the cases that I'm going to be reviewing. We want to make sure that the Glass Warrior here screen protector from Benks is going to be case friendly since 2008. HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, scratches resistant, anti-reflection, designed for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. On the back, we got some more information, so please read everything. Strengthened dustproof, strong anti-fingerprint, enhanced impact resistance, full coverage protection, responsive touch, smooth hand sensation. Awesome. I am excited to go through the process and show you the installation. I'll probably speed up the video a little bit. Turn up the music for your enjoyment, and we'll get a good look at the Glass Warrior on the S26 Ultra dummy device here when it's all said and done. This right here is actually a dust removal sticker. I'm not going to use this guy. I'm going to use the smaller one, but that's pretty cool. I like that. That's the Benks mascot there. So I'm just going to put that there. And you're going to see the applicator kit here, because right here, let me get rid of all this here, is your alcohol prep wipe, microcloth, and there's some of those dust stickers there to remove dirt, dust, lint that could be on the S26 Ultra display. So let's put that over there. You can see the microcloth. That's really nice and soft. It's static, man. So in here is the alcohol prep wipe. Okay, so the applicator kit. It's a very, very simple process, folks. So this is the top of the S26 Ultra. You can see the reflection of the front-facing camera right there. And so once everything is clean, I want to make sure that I place this correctly. And it says top right there. So top. I'll place it over the top. I'm going to pull this guy first. You can see number one right there. Pull down to remove dust. Then I'm going to pull on this guy and it's going to snap. That's actually going to cause allow the screen protector, the actual Glass Warrior screen protector, to start adhering to the display of the S26 Ultra. So you'll see me do all of that in the installation part of this video, the process there. And then the third step will be for me to remove this away, which will remove that excess film that's sitting over the top of the actual Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector. Okay, so we'll top. So we're going to do it like this. All right, everybody, let's do this. Everything looks great. Now I can start reviewing cases and make sure that whatever case I'm reviewing from whatever company that has blessed this channel by sending out these cases to me to share with all of you, I just want to make sure that they're not going to push up on the edges. Again, that this Benks glassware tempered glass screen protector is going to be case friendly, that the case itself isn't going to cause any issues for the glassware here. And yeah, it looks really, really nice. It's good to have protection on this dummy device. It literally looks like the real deal. And the goal here is to treat it that way in reviewing cases and other products that will be sent to me to share with all of you. Folks, that is perfect. Tiny little bubbles that you can work out with your fingernail. They'll come out by themselves, most likely overnight. And then I can start reviewing cases. All the information will be down below to purchase. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I am out.